Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the right PDFs and a suitable OCR tool. Open one representative scanned PDF to inspect resolution and rotation. This guides OCR quality. Once done, install any language packs and enable optical character recognition in your application. Make sure permissions allow file reading and writing. If using command line software, verify dependencies and test on a single page. This sets a predictable baseline, so processing a batch behaves consistently and avoids wasted reruns. You now run the core OCR steps, beginning with preprocessing, correct rotation, remove noise, and set 300 dpi for most scan documents to improve recognition. Next, choose the language and output format. Searchable PDF preserves layout while text output extracts content. Start with a single file to confirm settings, then use batch mode or parallel jobs to scale. Make sure to set a clear output naming convention and enable error logs so you can spot pages that failed and retry them efficiently. You finish by validating the converted documents. Search for key phrases, copy-paste text to check fidelity, and visually review complex pages like tables. If accuracy falls short, rerun zonal OCR for structured areas, perform manual corrections, or rescan at higher resolution. Once satisfied, export final files and archive originals. If something goes wrong, low recognition rates often mean poor image quality, increased DPI. Apply stronger preprocessing filters, or add missing language packs and retry a targeted pass on problem pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.